guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be talking about the Sephora 2018 VIB sale. I was going to do a video about my latest Chanel purchase, but since the VIB sale is in a few days, I thought this would be more topical, and I think I will save this video for next Monday. So before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can know whenever I post a new video. All information regarding the VIB sales, like VIB Rouge, VIB, Beauty Insider, and the dates regarding these sales, I will leave down in the description box down below. So I think what I'm going to do is go through my list of items that I am actually going to be purchasing, and then ones that I would just recommend for you guys that I have used and loved that I don't necessarily need right now because they're still full, but I would definitely recommend them to you guys. So the first item on the list is an item that I actually need. This is the Clinique SPF 50 with Solar Smart UVA UVB. So this sunscreen is fantastic. I use sunscreen every day, rain or shine, on Monday or Sunday. It really doesn't matter what I'm doing or what day it is. I wear sunscreen every single day. This is probably my third or fourth, maybe fifth tube of sunscreen. It's fantastic. I always repurchase it. So the next item that I actually need, it's not just me makeup hoarding. It is the Living Proof Dry Shampoo. I don't have it with me because I ran out. I have used, I think this would be my third time purchasing this Living Proof Dry Shampoo. It is fantastic. I've been trying different ones with and without aerosol, different brands, different companies. So far, I have not found one that I love as much as the Living Proof one. So I'm going to be repurchasing this dry shampoo in the next few days. So the next item that I'm going to be purchasing is the Milk Makeup Cooling Stick. I tried it in store. I tried the tester and it felt so fantastic. I haven't tried this yet, but I'm really intrigued and interested by it. I think this would be fantastic like in the summer on a day when you're not wearing any makeup, because the stick itself is cooling. So can you imagine just like passing that over your like under eyes and all over your face? That would be so refreshing. I haven't tried it yet, but the reviews seem to be pretty good. I always worry when there's sales like this that everything will be sold out, but we'll see. So the next item that I want to purchase is the Henricksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. However, it appears to be out of stock. I was put on the list for send me an email as soon as you get it in store or online, but I haven't received the email yet, and I'm not sure if I'll get it in time for the sale. However, if they don't get it in stock before the sale, I think I will try the Origins GinZing Refreshing Eye Cream. I have not tried either one of these eye creams, but I've heard good reviews on both of them, so I think I will give either one a try. I kind of lean more towards the Henricksen, but if they don't get it, I'll get the Origins GinZing one. And one last item that I'm going to be purchasing during this sale is the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I tried a kit with the Too Faced Hangover Primer and setting spray and a beauty blender a while ago. I didn't think the kit was worth the value, so I'm just gonna go ahead and purchase just the primer for practically the same price. I just think it's worth it. So for the time being, that is all I have in my immediate basket. I mean, the day is young. I might add more, who knows? So I'm gonna list a few other items that I don't need at the moment, but I definitely think are fantastic. So the first item is the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. This concealer is fantastic. It's so good. It's so high coverage. It's so pigmented. It's so creamy. It blends so well. This is by far my favorite concealer. I've been on the fence with a couple other ones, but I think so far this is leading the race. This is a fantastic concealer, and if you want to try it out with the sale, I highly recommend it. Next up, as a suggestion for the sale, are beauty blenders, because I have a couple right now. I have one that's in use, and I have one or two other ones like in stock. But if you wanted to get a beauty blender, or if you have one that you're using right now and you kind of want to stock up on some more, now would be a good time because you can get them on a discount and they don't expire. It's a sponge. You could buy like 100. Well, I'm not saying buy 100, but like, you know what I mean? Like you can buy as many as you want and just keep them as long as you have storage. You could put them in a shelf somewhere and just keep them. So the next item I would recommend purchasing is the Dior Lip Glow. Now, these have been around for so long, and I don't know why, but I hesitated trying them, and these are fantastic, especially the original lip glow. Like I think there's the original lip glow, there's the matte ones, and then there's the hollow ones. I personally prefer the original lip glows and the matte ones. The hollow ones are okay, but not my favorite. A nourishing lip balm that have a little bit of tint to them. You can get like coral, you can get pink, you can get like a raspberry, you can get lilac, and they kind of just enhance your lip, but better, if that makes sense. And then the matte ones are really pigmented. It's almost like a lipstick, really. Easy to use, and you don't have to use a mirror because they're really light and not very pigmented like the original ones. So you can kind of just swipe them on. And I also find these are really great to help give a second life to your lipstick, because sometimes when you're wearing a long-lasting lipstick, it stays all day. but it starts to dry out your lips a little bit. I find that applying these over top, it just helps give a second life. I don't know, it just adds a bit of zhuzh and oomph, and it gives a little bit of gloss and hydration, and it really just helps extend the wear of your lip color. So I highly recommend these Dior Lip Glows. I think they're fantastic. Next up on the list is a perfume. This is the Giorgio Armani Because It's You. So this perfume is like a fruity floral scent. Whenever I wear this, it doesn't matter if it's at the post office, a family dinner, someone asks me, what are you wearing that smells fantastic? And I always reply, because it's you. And they're like, what, who? And I tell them, oh, no, it's the perfume, because it's you. It's very confusing. But it smells so good. The notes, according to Sephora.ca, are raspberry, rose, vanilla. It's just, it's so nice. It's so inviting. I think there's eau de parfum, so it's a bit more concentrated. Yeah, it's eau de parfum. I'm not sure if they have eau de toilette. Yes, they do. Google says. Yeah. It smells fantastic. It's delicious and inviting and wonderful. I cannot recommend this perfume enough. I got the 30 milliliter because I have a lot of perfumes at home, like a lot. I always end up getting the 100 milliliter ones because it's always more economical, but then I have like a big bottle of perfume that takes me years to go through. If you guys would be interested in seeing a perfume haul or a perfume collection video, let me know. So I have 2 more items to recommend from you, both from Stila. So I would recommend, first of all, from Stila, the Stay All Day liquid lipsticks. This is what I'm wearing today. I am wearing the color Bacca. I just love these formulas. I have 4, I think. I have 3 mini ones that I got a kit of like mini ones like this. I have 1 full-size one that I've purchased twice, I believe. It's the Beso. This is like the classic true blue red. When I wear this, I stop traffic. I'm not even joking. This is a fantastic color, and the formula is very comfortable. It has a slight vanilla scent, kind of a sweet cupcake scent, but not overpowering. It's very comfortable. It's not thick. It's not heavy. It doesn't it's not very sticky. Like, you know how some liquid lips out there, if you touch your lips together while it's drying, it kind of like sticks together and does all sorts of crazy things. This does not do that. It is non-sticky. It dries down fast. I think there is a little bit of transfer, but you know, it's a lipstick. It's not a tattoo. I just think that these are a fantastic formula for a lipstick. So if you want a long-wearing liquid lipstick, try the Stila liquid lipsticks. I think they're amazing. So the next thing I recommend from Stila is the Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. These are amazing. These are liquid glitter eyeshadows. They are everything you can imagine and more. My favorite shade is called Smoldering Satin. I have Bronzed Belle and also Retro Gold. They're both lovely shades, but something about Smoldering Satin is just fantastic. If you have been on the fence about these and you're not sure, this is the time to get them. They're beautiful, they're easy to use. They come in this doe foot applicator. You just apply them directly onto the lid. You can kind of blend it out with a finger, with a brush, whatever you want. And these are so pretty, and they're so pigmented, and there's not much fallout. They're just fantastic. And if you just want a good glitter eyeshadow, this is it. If you use one of those like loose pigment glitters, those are such a mess. They're so like poof everywhere. This is contained, it's gorgeous. I mean, this again is an item that gets lots of compliments. Like, oh my God, your eyes look like a disco ball. I'm like, I know, right? The only shades I've tried are the ones that I mentioned, but I get the impression that they're all consistent across the board. But again, do your research. But Smoldering Satin, #1, and then after that would be Bronzed Belle and Retro Gold. So the last item, I almost forgot about this one, the Dior Skin Nude Air Illuminizer. This is from the Precious Rocks collection. This is number 001. I believe it is still available, or something similar is still available. This is a highlighter. Now, when I first got it, I liked it, but I didn't love it. But the more I use it, the more I fall in love with it. This is what I'm wearing today on my cheekbones and also on my eyes here. When I first applied it, I think I was going a little bit too light with the brush. You don't have to dig, but I think I was just swiping too light and not getting enough. So I think I just started just going a little bit heavier. Not like, it's not like a scraping, but just like, you know, swiping a bit heavier and just going across like this. And it just gives such a lovely, gorgeous glow. And I'm starting to love these more and more, not only for the product, but also the compact is beautiful. It's this like really, oh, the fingerprints are gross, but it's this beautiful quilted silver compact. It really reminds me of something from like the 20s or something, like a compact your grandmother would have in her purse. It's just gorgeous. So these are my recommendations for the Sephora VIB sale for 2018. Let me know down in the comments what items you have tried that I've talked about. If you have a list already, let us know what you're gonna get. Are you gonna focus on like skincare, makeup, hair? Are you gonna try to get a little bit of everything? Do you have a game plan? Are you being made aware of the sale at this moment as you're watching this video? Let us know down in the comments. And make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can know whenever I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. It really does mean the world to me that you take time to watch my videos. It really does, because you could watch anyone else but you watch me. Thank you so much. So I think that's all I have for you guys for today. So I will see you guys on Friday. Bye.